In this video, I'm going to show you how you can search Google Drive for files that are publicly available to everyone. By doing this method, you'll be able to find some files that are publicly available that you otherwise wouldn't be able to find. So what you need to do is open up a new tab, and you need to type in this in the URL bar of your browser. So that is site:/docs.google.com/space speech bubble, and then type in your keyword. So I'm just going to type in affiliate marketing, and then you want to close it with another speech bubble. You can then click enter, and that will search all of Google for public documents with the keyword that you've just entered. Then you can go ahead and just open these, and you might find some hidden gems because all of these files are going to be public, and you can use this for your research. This is perfectly legitimate and legal because all of these are public, and that is how you'll do it. I'll leave this in the description below.